Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today this video is showing how to free download WPS Office and install. If you new my channel, please subscribe this channel. First time I video description link first download and download completed and unzip this file. Completed this WPS Office. So first time of this laptop or PC Wi-Fi or broadband internet connection. So I first disconnect and go to this folder and set up. Yes. I have a read and agree this tick mark and install now. Waiting for installation completed. This is top up menu, close. Okay, installation completed. So this top up get start launch WPS but not back click launch WPS see compare plans register user free XGP code space. So first close this and this one close. I go task manager, not showing this. At first go this PC local C drive and this go view and hide this item. this item everyone not trick mark first hidden item trick mark and minimize WPS folder, this folder download, crack this file, copy this file, copy now and go to local disk C and go user f data, go to f data local and go to King Soft and see WPS Office and go to this folder, and right button, mouse right button and paste, replace the file. Okay, this file not place, so first time close and see search this file auts this file and this file same, so this delete, not delete because go task manager and more details last WPS, searching WPS this WPS Office right button in tasks, okay, and go back the folder. At first copy this folder again and go this delete, okay, confirm delete and paste and back close, go local C drive and view and hide this item and WPS Office World, so this window not showing now. Like this video, please subscribe my channel. Today